Well, hello everyone, it's Michelle from Michelle's Ink and Stamp It, and here I am with another design team project for December for Studio 28E, and this one is called A Whimsical Christmas. So here you go. This is all I have left. So I did my cover out of a file folder, and I'll show you where I put all that. So that's all that's left of that. I used brown paper packaging to cover some. That's not part of Sherry's kit. I printed everything up regular size, and then I printed everything up 4 to a page. So that's what I have left of that. And I used every bit of the paper. I think I have 2 little pieces left, and I'll show you where those are. And these are the 4 to the page little things that I could definitely use on tags or different things if I wanted to. This was some tissue paper that a friend of mine gave me, and I thought, how cute will that be with that kit? And I'll show you where I put that. My sister-in-law, who's a quilter, I asked her if she had some vintage material, and this is one of the things she gave me. So this is so cute. I love this. And you'll see where I used it on for the binding. And here is my journal. So I ended up making a 3 signature journal. I don't have any charms on it yet, and I left one long one so that you could use it like a bookmark. So I brought it up over the top. And let's get started here. So these are part of the 4 to a page parts that I printed. This is the tissue paper that I got. This is the material that I used, and this is where I put the tissue paper on the back. I just love the words and cutting it out, and the stars were part of the kit. This page, I just love this paper, so I thought, well, that would be cute to put on the front, that's for sure. And then I used Merry Christmas and Season's Greetings, and these are 4 to a page little pockets. And I used those. Let's get you back in the center here. There we go. Okay, so this is the inside. This is part of the file folder here. Like I told you, I made the cover out of the file folder. Some parts of it I folded over to make pockets. This part I had a piece left like this, and that's what I did. I just cut it, folded it, and put it in, and then covered it. So I used all the paper just from Sherry's. This is the 4 to a page. This is the actual paper when you print it 4 to a page. I like how that turns out, and you'll see where I've used it throughout. This is one of the little tags that she had in the cutouts, Naughty or Niceless, and this is the lump of coal. I haven't topped any of the tags because I think I will use wrapping paper from Christmas, and this is one of the leftover pieces, and I have one more. So I used it all. And you can see the inside. I did the inside of the binding with the material as well. Oh, and this paper, it was paper that I had bought. Lace coffee dyed paper. I'll leave a link to that below if you'd like. I love the birds though. This kit that Sherry did was so cute. This is from a different kit that she had that I used last Christmas. And then this is one of the pockets, like the same one that I used on the front right here. So it makes a little coin envelope. And you can put a card in that. It has a little thing that goes inside of it. And I just used it like an over the... I guess I should turn that the other way so there's not so much on this page and a little bit on the other page. And I just put a... I keep wanting to say a clothespin, paper clip. And then this is the other piece that I had left. So that's it. Other than that, I used it all. This is one of the full pages, and I just used it like a pocket. Some of the ephemera cutout pieces. And of course I stuck my thumb in the glue. I'll have to put a star or something over that. And then this is part of that tissue paper. A piece that I had left on my desk, and it kind of went with it, so I just kind of put those in there as they came up. This is the painter's masking tape paper. And then here is an envelope. Again, this one I did not seal up so that you could put more stuff in it. And then there's the back side of it. Here's a big page. Oops, sorry. I think I hit the camera on that one. Another full page is a pocket, and these are the tags that come with the kit. And then this is a little envelope. I did like that. Another part of the kit. Just a scrap piece that I had. And then the painter's tape. This is one of the embellishments. And then here is, I did printed up the page, the 4 to a page. So this is one of the pages that I did up. So it gives you extra journaling room if you want, or you need to cover something up. That's the way to do it. Another part of that, the other kit of Sherry's. Then this is a pocket and a tag. The birds again. And this is a 4-up page. Another little bit of the ephemera. And then this is the start of the second signature. We just did a trip to Disneyland during the vacation, so Christmas. So I probably will add pictures to this and put all my journaling in there, because I journaled at night when we got back. We were there 5 days, I think. So here's that envelope that I showed you as a little. Cute. My dog. One of the kit pages. This is one of the 4-up pages that I just did a little fold out with. Like I said, it's really kind of cool because it makes it so you can journal on it. I love this little page with the gnomes on it. And you can see this is what I used on the first one here. Just like that. Sorry, had to get my dog back. Okay, so here's a little envelope again here. And here's all 3 of the ones for, when you do them forward a page, you get all of them. So there's nature, or nature, notes, naughty or nice list, and then the shopping list. Another little coin envelope with a card inside of it. I've got it tucked over the top of that one. The little paper with the embellishment on it. A 4 to a page. some paper I had left on my desk. And then, I love that. I think that was one of the pockets that I did before, right there. And then these were left over. This was a piece that she had in the kit for the ephemera, so I just kind of fussy cut around it, and then added all the little 4 to a page things that I had left there, and this little piece. I love these pages. They're so cute. December 25th. I left that towards the end, so joy to the world. We can only hope there's joy to the world. I love this tree. Looks like it's on a sweater. And then one of the book cards, library cards. There you go, library cards, book cards. And the tags, I just put the opposite tag that went to the other pocket, so that I just split them up like that, so they didn't look so matchy-matchy. There's the last page. Here's the shopping list and the notes. I showed you the naughty and nice list at the very beginning. And then this is part of the file folder that was longer, so I just folded it over, made a pocket out of it. And then this was one of the ephemera pieces. I covered this with that brown packaging, and that's one of the ephemera pieces there. And then warm wishes, Christmas tree, relatives, decorating, ribbons and bows, and Santa Claus. And you can see that I had the 3 signatures in there. And it's gonna gape, but I think I'm gonna put an eyelet with a ribbon in there to hold it together, because this will this file folder will be real malleable, but yet not will be sturdy but malleable. Okay, all right. Thank you for joining me. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I will put a video over here that you might be interested in, and go create something fun, and we'll see you next time. Bye.